First things first, school is not what it used to be. Students by the thousands are moving to online learning, and K-12 is leading the charge. Public and private schools, all online, at home. But that begs the question, what about all those class supplies? You know, textbooks, workbooks, that kind of stuff. K-12 delivers all that? Yep, with a little help from UPS. We're talking over 7 million items, packed, shipped, and delivered right on time. That's 1.2 million books, 114,000 laptops, 77,000 printers, and over 500,000 customized kits that could include just about anything. I'm telling you, these people are logistics brainiacs. Don't believe me? Check this. After the last day of school, most supplies are returned to UPS to get recycled, refurbished, and ready for the next school year. Then, UPS does it all over again. Receiving, storing, packing, shipping, delivering, and returns. That's the logistics of learning. Find out what UPS Global Logistics can do for you.